throws it. Oh! Big head kick.
Fantastic fight, yeah.
ध्रुव की फाइट मैंने देखी थी अंगद के साथ.
Yes.
एक फाइट वो जीता था, फिर दूसरी फाइट वो हारा था.
Yes. He's 1-1 against Dhruv, and now he's taking out a killer. And to Jared now. Let's go to Jared.
Live from the Dome in Mumbai, India! This is Matrix Fight Night! Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to a night of world-class martial arts. Make some noise for Sumit Khade!
Making his way from the blue corner into the cage is Sumit Khade. Sumit Khade is, guys, he doesn't look like it, but this dude is an absolute killer. If you've watched his fights, this guy just lays people out. He's fantastic at this. He's got a great karate background. He's a really good striker and is going to look to blast Dhruv out really early.
काफी पुराना फाइटर है और जैसे कि एंड्रू आप बता रहे हो, ये बड़ा धमाकेदार बंदा है. ये बिल्कुल परफेक्ट स्टार्ट है MFN 3 के लिए.
I'm just looking at Sumit.
And his opponent making his way to the cage, Dhruv Chaudhary!
Now from the red corner, we have Dhruv Chaudhary making his way into the cage. Dhruv Chaudhary is a veteran. He's a really good kickboxer, very good in the clinch, and can finish the fight anywhere. Can submit guys, can knock guys out. He's a really good fighter, and he's making his basically a comeback after a heartbreaking loss to Angad Bisht in his last fight. Very close fight, but he lost the fight and is looking to make a comeback. I was just talking to him yesterday, and from my small little short conversation with him, Dhruv.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, standing at 5 feet 11 inches and weighing in at 66 kilograms, hailing from Maharashtra, make some noise for Sumit Khade! And his opponent fighting out of the red corner, standing at 5 feet 11 inches and weighing in at 65.8 kilograms, hailing from Uttar Pradesh, give it up for Dhruv Chaudhary! Ladies and gentlemen, as the action begins, the referee for the fight, Ryan Thorpe.
Follow my instructions at all times. When I say action, action, stop, stop. I want a clean fight. Touch gloves if you want. Back.
Oh, I can't wait, Manan. I'm really excited for this fight. Both these guys, I've been scouting them for a long time, and they really impress me as fighters. Look at Sumit. Look at his eyes. The guy is absolutely ready. Dhruv looks like he's about to kill now.
MFN 3 शुरू हो गया है एंड्रू और अब पटाखे फूटने वाले हैं.
Right here. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dhruv Chaudhary versus Sumit Khade. Both guys measuring each other.
ये ध्रुव का स्टाइल है, वो हमेशा अपना टाइम लेता है.
Nice
और
leg
बहुत
kick by
बढ़िया.
Dhruv. He's got to be really careful of the counters, Manan.
बिल्कुल, जैसे कि हमने बताया था, सुमित बहुत डेंजरस है.
Oh, nice shot by Dhruv. He caught the leg kick, hit him with a nice right hand. Nice leg kick.
सुमित एकदम खड़ा हो गया फटाफट.
Dhruv is really taking it to Sumit, huh?
ध्रुव फुल रेडी लग रहा है इस फाइट के लिए. ध्रुव के अंदर एक आग नजर आ रही है.
Clearly, oh, that was a nice shot by Sumit as well, but Dhruv took it on the chin and marches forward.
सुमित के स्टाइल में थोड़ा सा जंगलीपन नजर आ रहा है.
It's not jungly-pun. It's actually, you can see, he's an elusive striker, hard to hit, but Dhruv still managed to connect. But now that he's hit him, I think Sumit is woken up. He's looking to really land some extra shots now.
बिल्कुल. और ध्रुव की आंखें देखो, एकदम गड़ी हुई हैं अपने अपोनेंट पे.
He's dialed in is the right word. Absolutely dialed in. Focused, dialed in. Oh, nice one by Sumit, but he misses a nice right hand counter.
क्या टाइम किया है ध्रुव ने उसको और बिल्कुल टाइम पे पीछे हो गया.
Nice leg kick by Sumit. Dhruv misses with a leg kick. Dhruv looks really determined. I mean, he cannot lose this fight. Like last time he lost to Angad Bisht, that really lit a fire under him, you know, Manan?
बिल्कुल. ध्रुव के ऊपर बहुत प्रेशर हो सकता है इस फाइट को लेके, बट मुझे लग रहा है वो उस प्रेशर को सही जगह चैनलाइज कर रहा है.
Yes, the guy has lost his fair share of fights, has won his fair share of fights, but you can see the guy, he's determined and he's a real fighter. Oh, nice shot.
ये आया ध्रुव पंचेस लेके.
Nice shot by Dhruv. Just look at his eyes. The guy is determined. He knows exactly what's happening. He's timing Sumit as well. Sumit has not hit him clean.
बिल्कुल ध्रुव की शक्ल देख के ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो हिप्नोटाइज कर रहा है अपने अपोनेंट को.
What Sumit really needs to do is he needs to a nice front kick. Just missed by a little. Oh, nice shot by Dhruv. Dhruv cracks him. This is a nice wild scramble by both guys. Oh, nice knee by Sumit. Just a reminder, guys, elbows and knees to the head are legal. Unlike amateur fights, this is a pro fight and elbows and knees are legal. Dhruv is smart. He's holding Sumit up against the cage, essentially trying to sap his energy. Very smart strategy by Dhruv.
बिल्कुल ध्रुव एक एक्सपीरियंस फाइटर हैं और उनको हर जगह पता है कि क्या करना चाहिए.
Oh yeah, he's very experienced, both on the ground and on the feet and in the clinch. Very good clinch fighter. As you can see, he's holding Sumit up against the cage, not letting him circle out, not letting him get off any kind of offense.
बिल्कुल कीज टू विक्ट्री में भी हमने यही देखा था कि he is very good in clinch.
Oh yeah, we just saw that in the he's fantastic in the clinch, and even against Angad, he was owning Angad in the clinch until Angad decided to split.
बिल्कुल सही बात है. वो फाइट भी बहुत क्लोज थी.
I can hear his corner screaming for Dhruv to drop levels. I think that would be a good idea for him to do that right now.
इन दोनों फाइटर्स को ग्राउंड पे देखने में बहुत मजा आएगा कि किसकी ग्राउंड गेम ज्यादा अच्छी है.
Which is why I was thinking that Dhruv should maybe change levels and start taking him down right now. Again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a very tough position to fight in. It doesn't look very glamorous, it doesn't look very great, but it's a very tiring and draining position to be in, fighting up against the cage, Manan.
बिल्कुल दूर से अगर किसी को एमएमए के बारे में नहीं मालूम, वो अगर देखे इस चीज को तो शायद ऐसा लगेगा कि कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हैं लोग, बट बहुत एनर्जी जाती है इस चीज में एंड बहुत स्किल भी लगती है.
हाँ, correct. It takes a lot of energy to pull off this kind of a fight. Grueling, long, drawn-out fight. Sumit is essentially hooked Dhruv's left leg and he's essentially trying to trip and take him down, but I don't think he's going to get it right now. Dhruv is smart enough to hold on to him and push him up against the cage, put him there and sap his energy. What Sumit needs to do right now is take his left hand and essentially what he's doing, oh, that was a nice knee by Dhruv. What he needs to do is he's grabbing his wrist. Instead of grabbing his wrist, Sumit needs to essentially fight for what we call an underhook.
तो एंड्रू मुझे एक चीज बताओ, इस सिचुएशन में जिस तरीके से ध्रुव ने सुमित को दबा रखा है केज के अगेंस्ट, इसमें ज्यादा एनर्जी किसकी वेस्ट हो रही है?
Right now, Dhruv's energy, he's essentially conserving his energy by just pushing him up against the cage. The problem with this is Sumit's energy is getting drained because he needs to push Dhruv off the cage. Once he does that, then he can start striking. But right now, all he's doing is he's neutralizing the position.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. सो हालांकि देखने में ऐसा लग रहा है कि कुछ हो नहीं रहा है, बट एक फाइटर की एनर्जी नीचे जा रही है.
Yes. Sumit is getting a little bit tired. We'll see in the next round how he feels after this sort of grinding kind of a fight.
यही काफी इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें होती हैं एमएमए की कि जो देखने में लगता है कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, बट एक्चुअली डैमेज हो रहा होता है. एंड इट कुड बी डैमेज टू जस्ट द अदर पर्सन स्टैमिना, बट दैट्स स्टिल डैमेज.
Absolutely. He's gotten a couple of hits in, a couple of knees as well. He's gotten a really good. Basically, he should have won this round 10-9 just based on control. Take against Sumit Khare and you're going to get blasted into the next dimension.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. अभी मेरे हिसाब से इवन दो पॉइंट्स में ध्रुव जीत रहा होगा,
But you have to watch out for Sumit's kicks though. If you make one mistake, this guy's going to essentially take you out of the fight.
Yeah, he's a vicious striker.
He's a vicious striker. I guess curried favor with the gods, yeah, Manan?
Here we go, round 2, Andrew.
Oh, absolutely. Round 2, here we go. Both fighters essentially still trying to time each other. Dhruv's determined, but he can't make a mistake.
I think the referee is calling for more action.
No. Actually, what the ref was calling for, he needed Dhruv to close his fists. His fists are open. So maybe the basic... he didn't want a threat of a...
आँख में उंगली ना चली
Yes,
जाए,
he didn't want a threat of a... eye
बहुत
poke.
अच्छी स्पिनिंग किक मारी अभी सुमित ने.
Exactly. This is what I was talking about, Sumit. Look at him.
और अब
He fights
सुमित
like a
की
cobra.
बॉडी लैंग्वेज थोड़ी सी चेंज होती हुई
Oh,
नजर आ
nice
रही
shot.
है. Wow.
That was a really nice shot. I think he might have rocked Dhruv. I think he might have rocked Dhruv. Dhruv needs
Wow.
to clinch now. Dhruv needs to clinch. Oh, superb strategy. This is what I was talking about. Now he's pinned him up against the cage. Got a nice underhook and he's pinned him up against the cage. Fantastic strategy by Dhruv. Oh, and he's taken
Wow.
down. Now it ended up in a scramble and Sumit is essentially, if he clears Dhruv's left leg, will be in a very dominant position.
ये काफी डेंजरस हो सकता है ध्रुव के लिए यहाँ पे।
Yes, he's trying to knee slice pass. He didn't get it. Dhruv's ground game is pretty good as well.
और ध्रुव धीरे धीरे खड़े हो रहा है, खड़े हो गया।
Sumit basically led him up.
ध्रुव काफी डेंजर में था वहाँ कुछ
Oh
सेकंड्स
yeah,
के लिए।
he was in a dangerous position because Sumit was looking to take him out. But Dhruv, being the veteran he is, really pulled through. Got him in a clinch, pushed him up against the cage, recovered, got taken down, recovered again, got back up, and look at him. He's fresh as a daisy right now.
यहीं पे देखने को मिलता है MMA फाइटर्स का एक्सपीरियंस।
And oh wow, Sumit is taking Dhruv down. There, exactly what I was talking about, Manan. You see, his left hand went underneath Sumit's right hand. And that's what he's using to hold him up against the cage. That is what we call an underhook. One of the most strong positions in clinch grappling.
बिल्कुल, ये चीज़ें जो लोग MMA को बहुत डिटेल में नहीं जानते हैं, उनको पता नहीं होती हैं, बट ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें दे मेक ऑल द डिफरेंस इन अ फाइट। ये जो ध्रुव की आर्म सुमित के आर्म के अंडर जा रही है, close to his underarm.
Yes, you see Dhruv, he's using that arm, the right arm, to control Sumit. And what Sumit needs to do is he needs to use his right arm to pummel into Dhruv's left arm and take the underhook instead.
बिल्कुल, बेसिकली जिसकी आर्म्स अंडर होती हैं वो ज़्यादा डोमिनेंट पोजीशन में होता है।
Yeah, and you can see Dhruv is very determined to win this fight. He's not going to lose this. He's not going to make silly mistakes. He's not going to make any kind of error for him to lose this fight. He's very determined.
सही बात है, और इससे हमें ये भी देखने को मिलता है एंड्रू की फाइटिंग और मार्शल आर्ट्स एक माइंड गेम भी होती है। It's not just about your punches and kicks, it's also about your state of mind.
Oh, absolutely. And Dhruv mentally seems to be ready. I mean, so is Sumit, but I just think he's having a hard time pushing Dhruv off the cage, getting him off the cage.
Right, इस पोजीशन में काफी देर तक हम देख रहे हैं कि
Yes.
ध्रुव
Oh,
डोमिनेट
nice
कर रहे
knee.
हैं।
Oh, it's a nice knee. It looks like a low blow. I think referee Ryan Thorpe is going to call a break in the action.
क्या बात है, दोनों फाइटर्स बहुत ही जाबाज हैं, दोनों में बहुत ही ज्यादा दम है।
As we can see, Sumit back to his elusive striking. See, it was a nice feint by Sumit. Draw out a lot of actions from Dhruv. That was that right kick I was talking about. If he lands that, it's good night, Irene.
इंटरेस्टिंग, बहुत फ्लूइडिटी है सुमित की बॉडी लैंग्वेज में, बड़े आराम से वो आगे जा रहा है, पीछे हो रहे हैं, एंड देखने को मिल रहा है कि सुमित के अंदर एक इलूसिवनेस है।
हाँ, correct. This is very surprising that Sumit has decided to take Dhruv down. Does he have his hands clasped behind his back? No. Oh, nice body lock takedown. But Dhruv scrambles up again. Dhruv will not be denied. Dhruv will not be denied. Again, they get back
And
to the
they're
cage.
back to that position.
Yep. Now, again, see exactly. Dhruv got the underhook using his right hand and turned Sumit against the cage.
बिल्कुल, हम बार बार वही देख रहे हैं कि ध्रुव अपनी बाँ सुमित की बाँ के अंडर डालते हैं, and that's what gives him control.
Yes, correct, Manan. That's what gives him exactly that particular move I'm talking about, the underhook. You're able to push your opponent up against the cage, put him there, and take him out of his comfort zone.
I think that's really intelligent fighting by Dhruv.
Oh,
He's
absolutely.
focused and he is just doing what he needs to do in this fight.
This is what we call gutting out a win. He's gutting a win out. It's a tough fight. Sumit is a killer, and Dhruv is really showing that he's one of the best Indian MMA fighters that have come out over the past couple of years.
बिल्कुल, इंडियन MMA में ध्रुव एक फेस है, एक
Absolutely.
आइकॉन है,
Yep.
और आज वो देखने को मिल रहा है कि क्यों।
Yep. And look at him. He's not even getting tired. The guy is tough as nails. Last 10 seconds. Let's see what goes on. Knees to the thigh.
दोनों फाइटर्स नीज एक्सचेंज कर रहे हैं एंड द राउंड इज ओवर। सुमित क्यों टेक डाउन लेने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं जब हमें साफ देखने को मिल रहा है कि उनकी स्ट्राइकिंग ज्यादा डेविस्टेटिंग है।
Set up the strikes, right? If your opponent is worried about you taking him down, he's going to put his hands down. That gives you option to like blast him in the face with strikes. So you disguise your strikes using takedown attempts.
देखने को
Oh
मिला।
yeah, this third round is going to be electric. Sumit needs to do something drastic to win this fight.
बिल्कुल, because ध्रुव आई थिंक अभी जीत रहे हैं।
Yes, Dhruv is controlling the fight, basically controlling the action, controlling the aggression.
And
It's a fantastic
and that gets him more
performance.
points, right?
Oh yeah, definitely, and that's a fantastic performance from Dhruv.
बिल्कुल, तो इस राउंड में सुमित को कुछ ना कुछ करना पड़ेगा।
He definitely has to. Oh, and a nice shot. Again, now we'll see if Dhruv grabs the underhook. Oh, nice
वाओ,
shot.
बहुत पावर थी
That
इस
was
शॉट में।
throwing complete leather by Sumit. proper leather.
बिल्कुल टाइम से ध्रुव ने स्वे बैक किया.
Yes. Sumit really needs to take this fight to Dhruv if he wants to win.
कितनी मजेदार फाइट है. दोनों फाइटर्स का एक्सपीरियंस देखने को मिल रहा है, इंटेलिजेंस देखने को मिल रही है, टाइम ले रहे हैं दोनों, एक दूसरे को नाप रहे हैं. और
Nice
एक और टेक डाउन अटेम्प्ट.
Very nice takedown by Sumit. Very nice. From a double leg straight to. Oh, nice. Nice leg kick, and Sumit is going all out.
क्या बात
Level
है, ध्रुव
changes.
खड़े हो गए.
He should not have left Dhruv out. Again, he's got his hands clasped behind his back. It's very tough to take him down right now because they're on the clinch. Dhruv elbow strikes.
ध्रुव पूरी जान लगा रहे हैं इस टेक डाउन को डिफेंड करने के लिए और
Yes.
अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं.
Yes, he's using the underhook. As you can see, he's using his right hand with the underhook to pull Sumit up.
बिल्कुल.
But while you're pulling Sumit up, he's not going to.
और ये दूसरा अंडर हुक भी आ गया.
Yes, now he's got a good position. It's very tough to take Sumit down. Very difficult to take Dhruv down right now. Oh, nice
क्या
elbow by
स्ट्राइक
Sumit.
था. बट ध्रुव जस्ट टुक इट.
Yeah, he just ate it.
एंड ध्रुव के एक्सप्रेशन में बिल्कुल माइल्ड चेंज भी नहीं है.
Yep, he just ate the shot like a tic tac, as they say. Both fighters are tired now. This has been a grueling fight. Yeah, man, a grueling fight. It's not an easy fight this at all.
और अभी तो 3 मिनट बाकी हैं.
Dhruv is stalking him. Dhruv is looking to land some shots, maybe a takedown, take him down, maybe ground and pound, submit him.
ध्रुव की बॉडी लैंग्वेज और स्लो और काम हो गई है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो अब एकदम फटेगा.
I think he's in what we call the flow state.
बिल्कुल
Right?
हो सकता है.
Everything is going right for him right now. And he's using his feints to draw. Nice takedown again. Dhruv needs to sprawl. Nice. Sumit is going all out trying to take Dhruv down. Dhruv is almost got an underhook in. Almost got an underhook in. As soon as he gets that underhook, he's going to lift Sumit up and try to get up.
बट सुमित के टेक डाउन अटेम्प्ट्स काफी अच्छे हैं.
It's very good takedown attempts. It's just that Dhruv is trained his takedown defense really well, and you
ध्रुव
can
इज
see.
अ बीस्ट इन द क्लिंच.
Yeah, he's a beast in the clinch, and Sumit is trying really hard to take him down. But Dhruv's defense is fantastic. And again, we end up right back where we started, which is basically the clinch position up against the cage. This is what we call wall fighting, fence fighting, ladies and gentlemen, and it's very tough.
और यहाँ पे आपके शॉर्ट रेंज पंचेस, एल्बोज, ये सब बहुत अच्छी तरह
Yes.
यूज किए जा सकते हैं. अभी हमने देखा भी था सुमित ने बड़ा क्रिस्प पंच लैंड किया था ध्रुव के ऊपर.
Yeah, he actually landed a nice elbow during the break. As soon as they broke, Sumit used his right hand and cracked him with an elbow overhand elbow is what we call it. Overhead
Right.
elbow, sorry.
राइट.
This is a grueling fight. Sumit looks to be taking deep breaths.
कहीं ना कहीं एंड्रू सुमित के दिमाग में ये चल तो रहा होगा कि उसको कुछ करने की जरूरत है.
Yes. He has to do something big to win the fight. Oh, nice elbow by Dhruv.
Wow.
That was what I was talking about. This is what I'm talking about with guys.
That must have hurt.
Yes, that definitely must have hurt. It's this breaking off the clinch and attacking then. That's where the real fighting happens, especially in clinch battles.
बिल्कुल. ये जो एक एरिया है एमएमए का जहां आप क्लिंच में हो, डोमिनेंट पोजीशन के लिए फाइट कर रहे हो और बीच-बीच में स्ट्राइक्स भी मार रहे हो, ये इतना फैसिनेटिंग है. दिस इज अ साइंस इन इटसेल्फ.
Oh yeah, absolutely. It looks.
Is that another low blow?
I think it might be a low blow. That was actually quite a bad low blow. So I mean, I'm hoping Sumit takes the full time to recover, but the warrior that he is, nope. Right
Fight
back
शुरू हो
at
गई
it.
है.
Yep, right back at it.
कुछ 40 सेकंड बचे हैं एंड्रू इस फाइट में. क्या लगता है क्या होने वाला है अब?
I'm hoping Sumit can actually get something on, but Dhruv is too smart for him to land anything brutal, like something heavy.
But
I
Sumit
think-
has to take a risk.
Oh yeah, he has to take a risk. He has to take a risk. If he wants to win this fight, he has to take a risk.
सुमित को इस टाइम सब कुछ अनलीश कर देना चाहिए. 20 सेकंड बचे हैं. अगर वो ऐसे डांस करता रहेगा तो द फाइट विल जस्ट गो टू ध्रुव.
And this more than anything else, this is a testament to how Dhruv has come back from his last loss. The
Yeah.
guy's come back determined. He's come back looking like a true animal, like a savage. you know?
I love his expressions.
Yeah, he's focused, determined. Look at him. Oh, nice. Oh, miss of a leg kick.
लास्ट कुछ सेकंड्स बचे हैं और ये फाइट
Fantastic
खत्म.
fight. That's a fantastic fight.
मजा आ गया ध्रुव की परफॉर्मेंस को
Oh,
देख के.
absolutely. That was a fantastic fight. As you can see,
ध्रुव का सीना चौड़ा है, सर ऊपर है.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards. Judge Yashpal scores the bout 30-27. Judge Pallavi scored the bout 30-27. Judge Ashok scored the bout 29-28, declaring the winner by unanimous decision from the red corner, Dhruv Chaudhary.
Ladies and gentlemen,
What
in
an
our first
amazing
professional fight for
Wow,
tonight,
क्या बात है,
Dhruv
क्या बात है।
Chaudhary wins against Sumit Khare.